welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So yes, today is the day where I am hosting my first ever giveaway. Since this week, actually probably Friday, is my birthday, and I guess this video will be going up on Thursday on my channel. So I thought of hosting a giveaway for a really long time, but this is the first giveaway. So I will be including few of my favorite things which I love to wear. So the rules will be pretty simple. I'll mention at the end of the video, and also every detail and every rule to participate will be given in the description box down below. So disclaimer, if you guys hear any kind of background noise, any kind of background music or whatsoever, please know that Durga Puja is going on, so there is like whole lots of noise outside. I just wanted to give it out there that I will be hosting giveaways in the month of October, in the month of November, December and January, but all of these things depends particularly on the amount of participation I receive. So if I receive a good amount of participation in my first giveaway, I will be planning for my future giveaways, and future giveaways will include all loads of things like skincare, makeup and accessories and everything. So please don't worry on that part, that I'll be only sticking to accessories, but this video is only about accessories giveaway. So let me first show you the earrings. So few of the earrings are made by me. So this is the first set of earrings, if you guys will be able to see. So these are long tassel earrings in the shade red. So I wanted to include in the shade yellow, but I was not particularly sure like whether people will love it or not, because red is such a versatile color that I believe that every one of you will be wearing it. So I thought red will be it, like the first one. So this is a beautiful tassel earrings. Even if I'll be wearing this one with this particular outfit, it will look really good. So this is the first one. So the second pair of earrings are very small, very basic, but it's really good. It's oxidized in color. It is in a shape of a flower. I'll include a very detailed and a close-up picture of the earrings as well, so you guys will be definitely able to see up in close of how the earrings looks like. So up next is the earring, which is again in the shape of a leaf. Now these are really beautiful, like golden leaves with some stones at the top side. So these are the next pair of earrings. It looks like a golden leaf with some holes in it, and it has got some stones at the top part. So it's very beautiful, even in your ethnic wear, even with your salwar suit, even like anything, this will go up really pretty. The main motive or the main reason I wanted to share it with you guys of doing this particular giveaway is because since it is my birthday month, actually initially I thought of doing like an Amazon gift card where you can purchase anything of your likings, or actually like in general, like in particularly I wanted to give you guys a share of a pastry. So I wanted to give you an Amazon gift card, like where you can order, or some Zomato, I don't know, but I thought of that, but then I thought it's totally vague, like people will be needing different things at different places, so why not give some accessories, since the Durga Puja is like almost to an end. So next is Diwali coming up, so many other festivals are coming up, so I thought that accessories would really be like in need. People would like, I'll be really happy if you guys wear these accessories, whoever the winner will be, and share your picture with me over Instagram, over like anywhere, like any other social media platform. I'll be really happy to see that. So coming towards the next set of earrings is again in the color brown. It has got a spiral one. I'll include a picture, so don't worry guys. So I'm not opening this because it's already packed, like I've kept it packed to me. And the next pair of earrings, which are again made by me. So these are again a pair of leaf earrings which are in oxidized color. So the previous one was in the golden color. So these are the oxidized leaf earrings. and include a picture so you guys will definitely able to see. So I think that these pair of earrings are so versatile. Even you can just pair it up with your office wear and everybody will be asking you कि कहाँ से लिया. So the next star of the show would be some really gorgeous pair of earring. My goodness, these are so pretty. I have to tell you, अगर ये दिवाली में आपने पहन लिया ना कि people आपको पूछेंगे कि कहाँ से लिया. Just look at it. Like I'm wearing this with this one. Even this is also looking so pretty, guys. It's so pretty. I think कि आप black outfit के साथ भी ये पहन सकते हो, कोई भी colorful outfit के साथ पहन सकते हो. It will just look so beautiful. So these are my 5 set of earrings, but disclaimer, if I received a very good amount of participation in my giveaway, I will include 2 winners. Initially it will be of 1 lucky winner, but if I receive a good amount of participation, I will declare 2 winners and I will include some more earrings and like ready to ship to your address. So let me give you some details. Once I hit 400 subscribers, I will be announcing the winners. Currently we are at close to 300 subscribers. So once we hit 400 subscribers, I will be announcing the winner. So don't worry on that part. And next giveaway is also coming up for like skincare, makeup and everything. Like I have sorted it out, like every month or in a month there can be 2 giveaways also. So it really depends on you guys' participation, and the rules will be really simple. First rule, the most important rule is that if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notifications so then you get notified whenever any other giveaway video comes up. So that is it, and the rest of the details will be mentioned in the description box down below. Don't forget to follow all the rules and don't forget to read it very carefully. Some people might think that they have followed all the rules. Some people might think that they have followed all the rules, but then they might have skipped something like without even noticing it. So please make sure to read the description box down below very carefully. I've kept the rules very simple. So let's just hope for 400 subscribers soon, and let's just hope for you guys' participation. And I'll be really like, I'm super excited. This is my first ever giveaway, so I'm like keeping my fingers crossed and I'm super excited for it, like how like you guys will like it. Or please do let me know in the comment section down below as to how you did found out the idea of making more giveaway videos since the festival season is coming. So let me know, guys. I am really eager to know you guys' like reaction or any other suggestion if you have any. So till then, stay safe and see you guys next time, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye.